demo. Now, to begin, after you visit hirefoster.com, click on Use Hirefoster to sign up as a recruiter or an employer. It's pretty much the same thing. Or you could click the sign up button up top right and click the employer sign up as employer button. Let's go on. On sign up, you have to fill in your details. Please take care to fill this correctly. Although, if you make a mistake, you can always edit it in your profile after you log in. Go ahead and click sign up. Now that registration is successful, the next step is to log in. Fill in the details that you created and head to your dashboard. Once here, the next thing is to unlock all the beautiful features that Hirefoster has for you. And to do that, you need to click on this particular task in your activity log to verify your account so that we know you're not a robot. Now, just fill in the details that are currently left blank and that wasn't pre-filled in during sign up, like your address, for example. Click next. Add your company logo at the top, or and then fill in your company tagline and all other form fields on this page. Now, if you don't see your industry on the list that we have, no problem. You can always add it here. Just type in into this box and click enter. Now go ahead and click on verify and you'll be taken to our bookings page where you have to book a call with us so that we can meet you, you know, just so that we can be sure that you're not a robot, remember? Now from here, go ahead and select a date and a representative of ours will meet with you and show you around our beautiful dashboard. And just after that call, you'll be verified. Now you're in your dashboard. You go over to My Campaigns to create a new campaign. Now, for this first one, we're going to be creating a campaign without an assessment, just like a regular job post, something like what you'd see on LinkedIn, for example. Go ahead and click on Create Campaign. Now you click on the option that says Without Assessment. Now you have to fill in this form, and everyone that has an asterisk next to it is important for you to add. Now note first of all that this title field is not to be confused with job title. Now you can name this title field whatever it is you want, It is just for you to be able to separate two similar hiring roles or positions from each other. It's for you to be a bit more clear on what particular job you're looking at, so you don't go about scrambling all over the place. If you are going to do four different types of four different hiring for a content writer, for example, at four different times, because these informations will always be on your dashboard. We don't want you to get around being confused. So fill in a title that best explains or clarifies things for you. For this example, we're going to be titling this Q4 content hiring. The job role that we're hiring for this example is content creator. We're looking for an intern, and we want to pick a start date, and we're picking today's date, which is September 10th. Now, you could always pick a future date if you don't want to start the campaign today. But note that applicants wouldn't see your job posting until that date, so that they can start to apply then. Now, choosing an end date is optional, but you can choose an end date to show when you want to stop receiving applications for this particular role. Note that even if you leave it empty, you can always come back to edit it later from your dashboard. Now, in this option, you have the choice to either use an email or a link. Now, for this example, I'm going to be using my email. So anytime an applicant clicks on apply, they are jumped straight to their mailbox already with a pre-filled subject, and then all they have to do is type in the body of the email and attach whatever needs to be attached to that email, and that will be sent to you. Your email address and the subject would already be pre-filled. Now that we're done here, the next thing is to click the next button to fill in more information about this role. In the description, you can include whatever it is about this role that you want the applicants to know. Any information like about your company, if the about in your profile is not enough, like about the role, you can also pre-fill in other details like salaries and what have you. Although there is already a tab, a field on the form that allows you to already fill in the salary per annum. Note that text formatting is also available in this text box. All you have to do is click the plus sign that appears when you start typing on the left. This plus sign. You can also do text formatting on this description field and even on the responsibilities field by highlighting a particular text that you want to format. For example, we're going to highlight 2. So we highlight it and click the bold option. At this point, you enter the responsibilities expected of the applicant, expected for this role of the applicant. Note that the salary range here is per annum, not per month. Now, in the skills section, you have to include the skills necessary for this role. And after each skill, you hit the enter key to enter that particular skill. Don't just continue typing away. For each skill, hit the enter key just as seen in this example. I'm just going to write TikTok dancer, hit the enter key, and then I go ahead to type communication, then hit the enter key. Then next, I'm going to write strategy and then hit the enter key because these are skills that I deem necessary for this role. Now that you're all done, you click on submit and publish your job posting. This action is completely free for now. Great, you've successfully created this campaign. Posting a job without an assessment, like I already said, is free. So let's go on from here. In the next video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an immediate recruitment posting.